we've made some pretty good progress here with the shop. The floor is all painted and is finally dry because of the humidity. It took some time for it to dry. And it's still a little bit on the tacky side, so I haven't been doing too much inside. Moved in that toolbox, which is empty, so there's not a huge amount of weight to it. And I'm focusing right now on getting the clearing ready and getting the dome started to assemble. So I've taken the dome down from its old location that used to be up the hill back behind the old garden shed and started to lay it out here, get it ready to go. Those are the footings that go underneath the legs once they're all in place to help make sure the wind doesn't take it away. And I've been grinding up some of the loose bits and pieces from what I removed from this area when clearing it out, and that will go inside the dome to just help make a more absorbent floor. So next task is to lay out its actual location and start to erect the structure. Well, there's the main part of the frame up and ready. These things never look very straight, but I'm on my survey lines. I've got things pretty much lined up. I have to put in the lower crossbars along the bottom here, and then I put in all my plates, anchor plates. They call them cottage blocks, I believe. And it looks like I have to do a little bit of trimming to get back some of these branches, but not too much, so it's not bad. Well, there we are. The drive shed is up and functional, and it's just going to work perfect. Get the tractor in, the lawn tractor, generator, the ATV, and my mini logging trailer. Just perfect. The answer to this was to remove the front and back doorways, so now I can get in and out from both ends just as easy as can be, and no problem at all. This is just going to work perfect.